Howdy everyone, Tom and Zort here again for another After Hours. One reason this time, besides, ice pops and popcorn, to ride Guardians as many times as I can.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Simple goal, right Zort? That hurt Zort. He laughed at my goal. Oh well, let's go inside the park and see what's gonna happen. We got about a bit of time, and yeah, riding Guardians. That's upsetting. Ride one.
Oh no.
Ride number one.
Bye.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Tracks.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little trouble with the ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one
Of
has
course.
ever had to do
It,
that before, and it'd be perfectly
has an issue.
We don't know what
My
the
luck.
instructions are on how to open it.
Look, no feelings. Blue Swede, 1973. That song belongs to me.
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back. All the way back.
All the way to the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel. A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Will.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier.
Okay.
Well, again, Zort, hold on. Hold on, Zort.
Well,
I'm gonna have him hold on.
lock onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Tracks.
Good luck.
all I'm done with Conga. You know how it's easier to see now than it's dark out?
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Again. Door's falling over. Time number 3. 2 times of Conga already. Please help me. Ride number 3. Please no more Conga. Please no more Conga. Please no more Conga. Okay.
Someone's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
So, ride number 4. We got a different song. Alright, I have one request. Like, it's an after hours, just skip the pre-show.
Now I'm standing. You all happy? We're all standing up now.
Just funnel people through. And I won't miss it. And I just realized how crazy my beard has gotten after riding this ride about 3 times now. It just keeps going wider and wider. I don't know why. My beard oil gave up. I don't know. September? Sure. I got it right last time, so we're getting September. I don't know. Maybe? Zord, help me.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
The song depends on seat number. 8 was Conga, 2 has been Iran.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. We have no ownership.
I always feel like cattle in this ride. They just move from one room to another. It hurts. I've lost count. I don't know what number. I'm just hoping for a different song.
Magic. It's Disney magic.
It's 2 Irans and 3 Congas. Please give me something different.
It's never gonna work.
Rocket! Well, okay, I'll walk onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
But not for long.
and welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome.
Well, I don't know. Bye. Tom Zort, the Rotor Attraction. I have no outro. I'm tired, exhausted. It's 1 a.m. And I did not get sick. No. But I don't know. I lost count of Rise. I was gonna say Rise. Oh God.
We did 6.
We did 6?
Yeah, he was Soren. All right, 6 rides, 5 Guardians, 1 Soren, and a Partridge in a Pear Tree. Good night, everyone. Bye.